In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with the Bancorp Bank online in 2025. If you're considering obtaining a credit card through the Bancorp's network, you're in the right place to learn exactly how to go about this process. Grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into it. First up, you need to identify the financial institutions or fintech companies that partner with the Bancorp to issue credit cards. This step involves a little research since these partnerships often encompass a range of establishments, including digital banks or innovative fintech startups. Being aware of these partners is crucial as they ultimately provide the credit card offerings you'll be exploring. Once you've zeroed in on potential partners, the next step is to visit the partner's official website. This is where you get to explore the variety of credit card options available. Different partners may have unique offerings, so it's essential to compare features and terms thoroughly. As you navigate their sites, pay special attention to the specific credit card options they highlight. Now comes the vital part, reviewing the credit card offerings. You want to scrutinize the terms, benefits, and specific requirements of each credit card closely. Some cards might offer perks that align well with your spending habits, like cashback on groceries or travel rewards. It's important to ensure that these benefits suit your financial goals. Take your time with this step. Making a well-informed choice can significantly affect your personal finances. When you've settled on a card that seems like a perfect fit, it's time to submit an application. Each partner website will have its own outline process, so following their instructions is key. Generally, this entails filling out an online form with your personal and financial details. This information is crucial as it allows them to evaluate your credit worthiness. Be as accurate and complete as possible to avoid any unnecessary delays. After you've submitted the application, comes the waiting period. The partner you've applied through will review the details you've provided to determine your eligibility for the credit card. Patience is key here, as the time it takes can vary depending on the institution. Be on the lookout for any communication in your email inbox or the partner's website, as this may have updates on your application status. If everything goes well and you're approved, congratulations! You'll receive your new credit card according to the delivery process outlined by the partner. This might involve receiving your card by mail, so make sure your address details are correctly stated. And that's it! By following these steps, you can efficiently apply for a credit card through the Bancorp's network online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you secure the right credit card for your needs. Remember, always manage credit responsibly